What don't you like about this?
12 minutes, little one.
It's secant. Yeah, I don't like that it's secant either. Why don't we like that it's secant?
You can't plug that into the calculator.
Because my calculator does not have a secant button. That's exactly why.
When will they make one?
I don't know, we gotta learn something, you know?
Well, that's
All right,
debatable.
so what can we do? We can reciprocalize it and turn it into
1 over negative.
Cosine?
cosine. So let's take the reciprocal of both sides. In other words, if the secant of theta is negative 3.1421, then that means that the cosine of theta is equal to
1 over.
1 over negative 3.1421. Oh, by the way, I'm supposed to tell you what quadrant it's in. Quadrant 2. Quadrant 2. Now, once we get here,
Plug it in the calculator.
aren't we just there? And so now we just go about the problem the exact same way. We do 1 over the value,
That's a
it's
4.
now cosine, so what are we going to type in?
1 over 3.1.
Second cosine, 1 over positive 3.1421, right? And so we get
71.
nearest degree is going to be 71 degrees. What did we find? That's the reference angle. We like reference angles because we can do whatever we need to with them. In this case, what do we want to do with the reference angle?
Subtract it from
We want to put
180.
it into the second quadrant. So we're going to take that reference angle of 71 degrees, we're going to put it into the second quadrant, which means that it is
Subtract it from
71 degrees from 180. So second quadrant, boom, 71 degrees there. 71 degrees before 180 or after 180?
Before.
Before 180, which means that we need to do
190.
180 minus 71, which gives us a theta of 109 degrees. By the way, can you check your answers from these?
Yeah.
Yes.
How would you check your answer?
Cosine of, or, yeah, cosine of 109.
Yeah, like this one, for instance, what would you do to check your answer here?
Cosine of 250,
Cosine of 250 degrees, and what are we hoping to get?
negative 0.342.
Negative 0.3420. And in this case, we'd be getting the negative, wouldn't we? Let's check and see if we did okay. Cosine of 250, is that what you said? Yeah. 250 degrees equals, oh, okay. So I feel really good that that's the correct answer. How would we do that one?
The cosine of 109.
Yeah, I'm being lazy the way I am. I might do it all in one step. I might do 1 divided by cosine of 109. Huh. What do you think? It's because we rounded. That's exactly why it is. Which goes back to what I had said to you at the beginning of this chapter, which was don't use rounded numbers in your calculations. And this is exactly why. Now, is this way out of whack?
No.
No, I mean, it's still negative. It's still 3 point something. Like, it wasn't like we got 1.2. We got negative 3.07 rather than negative 3.14, which means that, and if you remember it all, see how it was 71.44 degrees? So it was like 71 and a half just about, which is about as big as we can get and still rounded to 71 degrees, and that's why it was off by as much as it was. Like if we had done 71.4, which would have given us 108.6, oops, that's not what I wanted.